Chanel, and I'm here today with a new series. Now this is as much for me as it is for you guys at home, and the series is going to be rediscovering your craft items. Now I have a huge craft room. I'm very fortunate, which is a very positive thing, and it brings me a lot of joy. But having a large craft room, I forget all of the goodies that I have. You know, there are things in drawers and boxes and containers, and there's just not enough hours in the day to use all these craft items, and some things are not seen for months and maybe a year. And I've, you know, recently been sorting out some boxes and organizing, and come across things that I haven't seen in a long time and been very excited about using them again. And it also, by seeing these things, also inspires you to want to use them and gets your creative juices flowing. Sorry about that. Charles cut the video off, being his naughty little self. So as I was saying, you know, we have things in all these different containers and drawers and things, and you know, we can't use them all the time, and they do get forgotten about. So I know I have so many things that I have that hasn't seen the light of day. And when I moved when I moved into my craft room, or not moved into my craft room, but when I redid my craft room, I put a lot of things, like if I had a load of fabric, I put it all in one thing. I didn't go through it and look at it all. I just put it all in, or I moved one drawer to another drawer, and I have forgotten, you know, what's in there and what gorgeous goodies are in there. So this series will be about me going through boxes and containers, but instead of just sorting it out, actually having a look at what's in there, you know, remembering why I brought that, say, stamp or ribbon, and you know, hopefully it will inspire me to do more projects. You know, before Christmas I lost my crafting mojo, and I think had I have come in here and looked at all my gorgeous things, my mojo would have come back sooner. But instead I closed the door and I didn't come back in here. You know, and like I said, I've been sorting out some things recently, and I found things and got all excited about them again, and remembered why I bought them and the ideas that I had at the time of buying them. But instead I go out and I buy more things, and then I forget about the gorgeous things that I have got. So I will be in the next, I don't know how many episodes, because it's gonna take me a long time. There's an awful lot of containers and boxes and drawers, and oh my gosh, even as I look around now and I see my washi tape in front of me, I'm thinking, actually, that's not practical, because I have to get up. I need them in a, I don't know, I'm gonna have to, when I put all the things in their places in here, you know, it's a work in progress, and then you think, oh, actually that would be better there and that would be better there. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just pick a drawer out, any drawer, and just go through everything that's in there, and the things that I'm never going to use, or very slight possibility of using it, I will do a destash, or I will give the things away, because it's silly and I need to make more room, you know, so that I can. Trouble is, I have so many things rammed in a drawer that I don't get to see them, whereas if there was less in the drawer, I'd be more likely to be able to see and use these things. So that's the plan. So I hope you're gonna you know, watch along, and hopefully it will inspire you to get your drawers out and sort out your messy drawers. My drawers are very messy. Some are not. Some are very tidy, but some are very messy. But even my tidy drawers, I need to get them out to stop hitting the camera. You know, even my tidy drawers I need to get out, and there's a pokey tool in there and you're going to stab yourself. I have buckets in front of me with pens and poker tools, and he's doing that, rubbing his head up against them. You're going to poke yourself in the eye or something. Oh my gosh, he is being so naughty. Oh my gosh. So yes, even my tidy drawers, I need to get them out and just pick the things up and look at them and maybe sit there and go, oh my gosh, I would like to do this with it, but actually follow through with those projects. You know, I'm terrible. I'll sit and watch videos every morning and oh my gosh, it is so addictive watching other people crafting. But in doing that, I then think, oh, I'll do that, and then the thing that I was going to do, I completely forget about. And so the thing that I bought for the thing that I was going to make, I then don't make, and it just gets hidden away in a drawer. So this is going to be quite exciting, and it should be a lot of fun. And I'm going to, oh, hairs everywhere. I'm going to have a box that's going to have things to put in that I can destash, box for things that I can give away, and a box for things that I'm going to use, or the drawer or the container or whatever. Right, Charles? Nobody can see you today because you're here, or there, I should say. Okay, everybody, I hope that you will enjoy this series. Please let me know what you think, if you think it's a great idea. And I hope you'll watch along with me and we'll have some fun together. So I'm off to make a start. And I'll see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.